Hey everybody, this is Calvin Waite. I trade crypto for a living. I'm not a registered or licensed financial advisor, planner, or broker, so nothing on this channel should be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell. I also trade all of these things, so I probably have a vested interest in there. But there's plenty of entertainment value and lots of education, so this will be awesome. For those of you who didn't know, my subscription channel is live. So look at the link in the description over at cryptoinfluencers.com and you can see how I make all of my trades and what I do and what I think about everything. This channel is for more hypothetical and looking at trends, and the other one is for actual trading. So you might be interested in that. Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's excited. We are looking at a pretty sweet day, but hey, first, before we begin, I have a huge announcement. And this is what I've been waiting for a month. I'm so excited. If you go to the free channel or the pro channel, you'll notice that there's a button up here that says enable chat or go to chat. Enable chat. So if you click this, you are going to go to the chat for cryptoinfluencers.com. And here you can make comments, you can ask questions, you can interact with other people that are also viewing and streaming the channel. So this is already cool. The Calvin Waite stream is the free one. And you'll notice that the Calvin Waite Pro has a little lock on it, a little lock icon. This is the super secret chat for just pro users. So now we can really get into the weeds. If you're confused about any part of the strategy, if you need help with a trade, if you've kind of gotten yourself into a situation, you can ask questions and everyone can help and answer. If you want to do a private message to me, you can do that here. So we're not going to use Twitter for that anymore, since we have a fully functioning platform for interactions, comments, questions, everything. So I'm so excited. I just barely typed this. So if you want to get in there and say hi, that'd be awesome, especially for you pro users. We finally have a place to talk about strategy and things and really interact. On my videos, it's really a one-sided conversation, so it would be really cool to hear some feedback and hear what your thoughts are, see how you guys are doing. So really awesome. Now, on to the charts. Oh man. We've been waiting for a turnaround in Bitcoin for a long time. And our first sign of that was breaking out of this descending triangle. We broke out, we resisted off of the 50, and then came down and found our triangle as support, which is absolutely textbook picture perfect. And then we have moved in, butted up against the 50, come back down, and today we started our candle above the 20. So breaking above the 20 was the first move, and today is looking very much like we're going to be exiting the red zone. So this is the move we've been waiting for. Oh, it's so awesome. Okay, so if we can get here, because we still have to close this candle, but oh man, the signs are really looking good. The entire downward momentum shifted when we broke across this line. Now we're in a new phase, and it's either sideways or up. And if we exit the red zone, this is a high probability trade. So the first chance we could have gotten into a trade would have been at 23,400. Our second chance, well, if you don't count the 22.6, 23, like the market is giving us plenty of opportunities. So I got in at this exit here, 22.4. but there was another one right here at 2361, and finally, whatever we end up at today. But this is all the same entry point. This is all within a very close range. The upside on this is amazing. So risk reward, this is beautiful. Okay, so this is already exciting. If that wasn't exciting enough, look what we've got going on with Ethereum. We had a 1-day red zone. Oh man, this is amazing. So 1-day red zone, and we are doing the same thing. Obviously, this is not closed, so it'll be the pro channel that we can really talk and analyze what the close looked like. But man, that is phenomenal. A 1-day red zone, if we exit that, it will be very cool. The last chance we had to exit the red zone was at 1352. So if you missed that one, 14, I mean, it's really right in the same area. Like these exits, they allow you to get in. It's just cool how when you're looking at macro, you've got plenty of time to get in. It's just whether you have the guts to do it or not. And so here we are. We are. I mean, just zoom out. Look at this. Look at this chart. It really, really looks awesome. First of all, we have this really low break, and we've resisted. I mean, even though we had a few days above the 200 weekly moving average, we resisted the 200. We came up and consolidated higher, and then we came back down for a lower consolidation. And from a bird's eye view, even though we had some action below right here, it strongly suggests that we found support on the 200-week moving average. We were just waiting for the consolidation to finish up. We're starting to see the first movement we've seen in a long time. This sideways consolidation lasted a full month. This was a solid month of sideways. And now we're starting to move. And I've been saying this for a long time. Whenever you have a sideways consolidation for an extended period of time, the breakout is explosive. It's not going to be this calm, measured thing. It's going to be explosive. And where we have been in this pressure cooker for so long, we will pop. And it's going to be awesome. A couple of lines to watch. The probably the most important line, and it's not these. I'm actually going to remove these because it's just getting noisy. So I might leave that one in. This one may interact for a little, who knows. But this longer one, the longer the line, the more important it is. So this one starts back here, and this could be a place where we're going to need some muscle to get through. So I'm not sure if we'll have a few green days and then some red and whatever. But yeah, the overall move is starting. So make no mistake, we are starting the move we've been waiting for. So, oh man, between the two of these, it is awesome. And what happens when Bitcoin and Ethereum start moving? The altcoins start moving. Look at this. It's just a sea of green. Man. Oh yeah. Everything's moving. It's so awesome. All of the trades that we've been waiting for a catalyst are starting to pop. Man, it is awesome. There are only a few that are in the red, or that are red today, and who knows if they will last. Yeah, just really, really exciting. So thought I should share that, but I'm excited now. Now we have a place to interact and talk and work through questions and things like that. It's a little hard for me to find comments in the videos, so I'm almost debating on whether to turn off comments just so that people can move over to this chat, so we can all chat together and answer each other's questions and get all deep into the next moves. Oh man, so cool. awesome to wake up and start seeing these types of moves here. This is going to pay dividends for a long time. This breakout was monumental. So cool. We caught the Wyckoff spring, which was the low of this session. And then this breakout here confirmed a change in momentum. It's cool. Really, really cool. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoy your day. Tonight we'll check in with the pro channel and we'll analyze where we actually closed, because we still need to actually put these in the books. 8 hours, anything can happen, but pretty encouraging to see this so far today. All right, we will talk to everyone later. Thanks for making it to the end of my video. Make sure you keep those trades small. Don't force a trade. Don't get impatient. And if you want to see how all this works, please come over and check me out on the subscription channel at cryptoinfluencers.com. Again, the link is in the description.